Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Hadin gajing syak penyap jong nong jengok kai perthei hakash nong sora uraja rogu vanchi hakabalakin no baka sonam kepada kurim kadon keti halendet jong gani gajing ja Menteri ke Sorkar jilla ubakmi ikatran jengok kai perthei ba polling do hakash phautrek ujilliu arajar arpusan ulong baya minta kat baka jilla Meghalaya kadang ap ke Sorkar India bakan aji Mynjur ban Pyntreikam ke inline permit kabedang la ban shimpor ka Sorkar jilla kelapin thamai ka standard operating procedure bat ban Pyntreikam pura da Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act arajar khatnriu.
That has been an ongoing demand, and it is also one major issue that has already been endorsed by the State Assembly. So it's still a relevant demand, and at this stage I can only say that we should also strengthen our security mechanism, because waiting for clearance of the center on the ILP might take more time. It has already taken a lot of time. So, but meanwhile, as I said, we are upgrading and revising our SOPs, and also we have the MRSSA, which needs to be strengthened. Okay.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.